Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur, eager to start your online store but unsure where to begin. You've got the products in mind, the passion, but you're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle: sourcing and fulfilling orders efficiently. That's where Oberlo comes in. Have you ever wondered how those online stores seem to have an endless supply of trendy products, always ready to ship? The answer might surprise you. It's not magic, it's Oberlo. But what exactly does Oberlo do? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the challenges that online store owners face. Sourcing products. Finding reliable suppliers who offer quality products at competitive prices can be time-consuming and overwhelming. Inventory management. Keeping track of stock levels, restocking, and handling returns can be a complex task. Order fulfillment. Efficiently processing and shipping orders is essential for customer satisfaction. Introducing Oberlo. Oberlo is a powerful e-commerce tool that simplifies these challenges and empowers online store owners to focus on what they do best: growing their business. How Oberlo works. Product sourcing. Oberlo connects you to a vast network of AliExpress suppliers, offering a wide range of products to choose from. You can easily search for products, compare prices, and read customer reviews. Importing products. Once you've found the products you want, you can import them directly into your online store with just a few clicks. Oberlo handles all the product information, images, and descriptions. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Oberlo automatically sends it to the supplier, who then fulfills the order and ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for you to handle inventory or shipping. Key features of Oberlo. Product research. Oberlo provides tools to help you identify trending products and find profitable niches. Pricing automation. You can set your own profit margins and let Oberlo automatically calculate the selling price for each product. Order tracking. Keep track of your orders and provide your customers with real-time shipping updates. Customer support. Oberlo offers excellent customer support to assist you with any questions or issues. Benefits of using Oberlo. Save time and effort. Automate the time-consuming tasks of product sourcing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Expand your product range. Access a vast selection of products from AliExpress suppliers. Improve customer satisfaction. Offer fast and reliable shipping with direct-to-customer fulfillment. Start your online store with minimal investment. Oberlo is a cost-effective solution for new and growing businesses. Real-world examples. To illustrate the power of Oberlo, let's look at a few success stories of online store owners who have used it to build thriving businesses. Example 1. A young entrepreneur started a drop-shipping store selling phone cases using Oberlo. By leveraging Oberlo's features, he was able to quickly source products, set up his store, and start generating sales. Example 2. An established online retailer expanded their product range by importing products from AliExpress using Oberlo. This helped them attract new customers and increase their revenue. Oberlo is a game-changer for online store owners, providing a comprehensive solution for product sourcing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. By simplifying these essential tasks, Oberlo empowers entrepreneurs to focus on growing their business and achieving their goals. If you're ready to take your online store to the next level, Oberlo is the tool you need. Sign up for a free account today and start exploring the endless possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.